This is just going to be a quick mail call video because I got 2 packages in the mail this week. I got a very cool sticker package from Know the Bird. He sent me a Magic the Gathering card, or I'm sorry, which one was this? Yeah, World of Warcraft lockpick, pick lock. So we're gonna add that to that, and then we'll add don't do it, don't you do it. All right, I'm gonna have to redo this, but we'll add those. And then I got a package from Lady Locks, and in the package from Lady Locks, as every package from Lady Locks, there is a bunch of stickers and a bunch of poker chips. But this little guy was in there too, little green dragon. I wonder if that glows in the dark. We got a Downfall poker chip. I'm not 100% sure whose symbol that is. Oh. Got another little blue dragon. I've got a little pin. I'm sorry guys, I didn't really do much research into this to see who everybody's labels are because there's so much stuff in here. Okay, she gave me a couple of Lady Lock stickers, and I believe that's the laser printed Lady Locks card. So we'll give that a place up here real quick, and then I will try to work everybody's stuff into this. We got the Lockpicker 1969. I apologize, but I don't know. Is that DMAC? That might be DMAC. I'm not real sure, but it might be. Uh-oh. We got some nipple chucks in the house. We're going to put old Nipple Chuck right up here with the rest of them. Got another Nipple Chuck. The Big Squid. Oh, we got a shiny Truckin' Locks. Let's see. I think this is the Lockpickers United. We got the very nice Picksmith. I'm getting too much stuff. People are starting to get covered up. I need to get something else. We got the cool reflective sticker. We got the Paracentric, and I'll let you make your own jokes about that. Lockpicking Therapy. We got the McD Pour. We got the Old School Lock Junkie. And we got the John Holistic. So I'm going to set all of this aside for just right now because I have to figure out exactly what I'm going to do with all of it. In the package, she sent me a couple of challenge locks. This one is by William Mansell. Get your kicks with number 6. We got CL16 by Peace Weapon. I think it's Teeth and Nails. And then we got lock number 122 from Bacardi. And we got King Crunch, and I don't know who made this one. So I just wanted to say thank you to Lady Locks and Know the Bird for sending that stuff out to me. Very cool. And thank you guys.